Rusty here with Mid-American Excavators again. Gonna do another little video. Got Slavin back there working on the four-wheeler. Put a new carburetor on it. Getting that ready to go. Anyway, so these little, the quick connects. I thought I'd take a couple of these apart. There was, people having some trouble with them, so, usually it's going to be a hydraulic situation, but you never know. They could, I'm going to turn that down a little bit there. Whoever's assembling these, they could assemble parts backwards. You never know. This one has not come apart yet. Okay, so there's your spring. This is freshly taken apart. Now on this one, see, there's your spring. Now watch this, little dude. It comes out of here, okay? That's facing towards the spring. Okay, that's what I thought. Now, on the larger coupling, this has a little chamfer right here on this edge. And it looks like it matches up perfectly with the chamfer inside of here. But I don't know, but anyway, that goes like that. There's your spring, because I'm almost sure this one here I think is correct. So there's your spring. Now on this side, okay, looking in there, here's your little push, like a little push rod. And then you have your little cap, which is this right here. So we'll just leave it in there. So this one, push rod, spring, push rod, put the spring in there, line it up, and there it is. Now, this one has, I think, about a 1/2 inch pipe thread here. Okay, now the next size up, this is loosened up, but I haven't taken it apart yet. So we'll take it apart. Okay, all right, it's set up the same way. Just a little bigger. Okay, this one's set up like that, but see this little angle here on this, where are we at? This little angle right here would be considered a chamfer in machining terms, right here. And this is chamfer down in here. So it looks like this, this could be put in this way. You could put it in this way. And put it in backwards, and it'll go right in there. It'll sit right in there. And this thing, and it'll go back together just fine. So you can put it in there like that, and it'll go right in there and go back together. So we'll put it back in there. Put it back in there like this. You've got the spring and your little push rod. Push rod and a spring. So that is going to be the official way that these go together. Okay. Now when you put it together, you might want to put it together like this. Make sure everything's nice and straight. Then you can go in here and kind of push on that a little bit. Make sure it's seating right. That's moving right. And then this right here, boop. Okay, just put it back together. Now, this one, okay, I've had apart, and I tried different ways, see? Because that little thing, let's see here. I'm gonna make another video because I have a call coming in that I have to take.